Good day. This instructional video is about partial fractions. The objective of this video is to decompose fraction into partial fractions. Let us define partial fractions. A rational fraction p over q, where the degree of p is less than the degree of q, can be expressed as a sum of two or more simpler fractions called partial fractions. For example, we are given a rational fraction x plus 14 over quantity x minus 4 times quantity x plus 2. This rational fraction can be expressed into two simpler fractions, which are 3 over x plus 4 and negative 2 over x plus 2. These simpler fractions are called partial fractions. To express the rational fraction into its partial fractions, we will examine the nature of the factors of the denominator. There are four cases involving different kinds of factors in the denominator. First case is when the denominator is a product of distinct linear factors. Second case is when the denominator is a product of linear factors, some of which are repeated. The third case is when the denominator has prime quadratic factors. And the fourth case is when the denominator has a repeated prime quadratic factor. Our first case is when the denominator has a distinct linear factor. To express the rational fraction into partial fractions, we will use the expression a over ax plus b and determine the constant a. This expression has a factor ax plus b. We will further explain this after a while. We will go first to the second case. Second case is when the denominator has repeated linear factors. We can further express the rational fraction into its partial fractions by using the expressions a sub 1 all over ax plus b plus a sub 2 all over quantity ax plus b to the second power plus a sub 3 all over ax plus b to the third power, and so on. Third case is when the denominator has distinct quadratic factor. We can express the rational fraction into its partial fractions by using the expression ax plus b all over ax squared plus bx plus c, where b squared minus 4ac should be greater than 0, so our expression will not be undefined. Our fourth and last case is when the denominator has repeated linear factors. We can express the rational fraction into partial fractions using the expression a sub 1 x plus b sub 1 all over x squared plus bx plus c plus a sub 2 x plus b sub 2 all over x squared plus bx plus c to the second power, and so on.
Case 3. Non-repeated quadratic factors. Now, we have a given of 3 minus x minus 4x squared over 2x plus 1 times x squared plus 1 is equals to a over 2x plus 1 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 1. To get the partial fraction decomposition of this rational expression, we must multiply our numerator by the LCD of our denominator. Now then, we will have 3 minus x minus 4x squared is equals to x squared plus 1 times a plus 2x plus 1 times bx plus c. Now, we will have 3 minus x minus 4x squared is equals to ax squared plus a plus 2bx squared plus 2cx plus bx plus c. Now, we have our first equation. Negative 4 is equals to a plus 2b. In our second equation, we have negative 1 is equals to 2c plus b. And in our third equation, we have 3 is equals to a plus c. To get equation 4, we must substitute our a, found in our equation 1. Negative 4 is equals to a plus 2b. A is equals to negative 4 plus 2b. And substitute it now to our equation 3. 3 is equals to negative 4 minus 2b plus c. 3 is equals to negative 4 minus 2b plus c. 7 is equals to negative 2b plus c. It is now our equation 4. Now then, to get our c, we must multiply our equation 2 by 2 and add our equation 4. Negative 2 plus 7 is equals to 5. 4c plus c is equals to 5c. 2b minus 2b is equals to 0. 5 is equals to 5c over 5. Now, we will have our c is equals to 1. To get a, we must substitute c in our equation 3. 3 is equals to a plus c. 3 is equals to a plus 1. Now, our a is equals to 2. Now, to get b, we must substitute our a and our c in our equation 2. Now then, we will have negative 1 is equals to 2 times 1 plus b. Negative 1 is equals to 2 plus b. Now our b is equals to negative 3. Now, substitute a, b, and c in our given equation or rational expression to get our answer. The answer is 2 over 2x plus 1 plus negative 3x plus 1 over x squared plus 1.